Right now, your jaw is clenched tight. You didn't even notice until I said it, did you? That is exactly where you're holding all the words that you didn't say to your husband and your mother. All the times that you said, "I'm fine," when you really weren't. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where those mad feelings hide in your body and how you can finally let them go using a very simple breathwork tool. Here's something many people don't understand. Your body remembers everything. The body keeps the score. When something painful or scary happens, your body remembers so that it can keep you safe the next time you might come into contact with that. The problem is your body doesn't always know the difference between a real danger, like a car coming at you, and feeling danger, like feeling sad or ignored. So when your husband forgets to take out the trash, your body might act like you're in real danger. This is because it's going to remind you of all the times that you felt unseen or no one was there helping you. That feeling gets stuck. The tight feeling in your shoulders, the knot in your stomach, the squeezed feeling in your chest, that's not just stress. Those are feelings that have been living inside of you. And here's the most important part. You can't just think your way out of how your body feels. You can't think your way out of a panic attack. You can tell yourself to calm down. Other people have tried as well, and that doesn't seem to let go. That doesn't allow you to soothe. But if the feeling is stuck deep in your body will keep reacting until you actually help it let go. This is why so many moms feel stuck, is because they get this belief that they need to think positive thoughts. They need to do all these affirmations. They've prayed about it, but their body is the one that's running the show. And the good news is there's actually a way to support the body in order to finally feel safe. Let me show you the most common places where those big feelings get stuck. So different feelings often get stored in different parts of the body. When you know where to look, you can start to let go of what's been stuck there. So your jaw is where you hold back words and all the times you wanted to speak up but didn't. All the arguments that you thought about in your head but never said out loud. I am definitely guilty of that, especially during rage cleaning of the dishes. Your shoulders, these are going to carry the weight of the world. Okay, every chore no one else sees, every time you felt like you were carrying the whole house on your back, you were. Now, your chest, this is where sadness and grief are held. That tight, hot feeling when he doesn't help, the sadness of feeling alone in your marriage. Your tummy, this is going to be where you store feelings you can't handle, situations that make you feel sick or uneasy, right? That's why we get the upset stomach. You are literally upset. So if you do have digestive issues, typically they're tied to your emotions. Now, the big one that I always talk about is your hips. These are going to hold old hurt, okay? Resentment, shame. This is where hurts from when you were a child get stuck. Things that you've been carrying for many years. Now take a moment right now and feel into your body. Where do you feel tight? Where are you feeling maybe an ache, maybe sharp pain? And that is where you are probably holding onto something that is emotional as well. Now, I'm going to be holding a workshop called The Anchored Heart, and I'm going to be guiding you through a full body check and a way to let go of these feelings with different somatic tools. If you want to learn more, make sure to sign up for the workshop using the link in the description below. Now, this isn't just science, it's actually written in the Bible. God made us a whole person, body, mind, and spirit. What affects one part is going to affect all parts. And the Bible tells us this connection again and again. My favorite one is Proverbs 14:30 says, "A heart at peace gives life to the body, but envy rots the bones. What's in your heart can change your body. So when we talk about letting go of feelings from the body, we're not doing something outside of our faith. We're honoring how God made us. Body healing that is rooted in God's truth isn't some new idea, it's old wisdom. It's asking the Holy Spirit to come into the places where we feel stuck and let Him bring peace to our bodies, not just our minds. Let me show you a simple exercise that you can do right now. And this is called the anchored breath. It uses breathing and words from the Bible to help your body let go of stuck feelings. First, find a comfy spot to sit or lie down. Maybe close your eyes if that feels safer for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose for 4 counts. Then hold your breath for 4 counts. Then you're gonna breathe out slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. Make sure you focus on the exhale. When you breathe out slowly, this is going to be a trigger to your nervous system to help kick on rest and digest. Now, as you breathe, feel your body. Again, where do you feel tight? Your jaw, your shoulders, your chest. And through that breath, I want you to actually visualize that you might be breathing in a beautiful, bright white light and fill that area that feels tight. And as you breathe out, imagine letting go of whatever is stuck in there. You don't need to know what's stuck in there. Get into your body, not your mind, and start releasing whatever is held there. Here's going to be the Bible part. As you breathe in quietly, say, He is my anchor. As you breathe out, say, I release what is not mine to carry. And do this for 2 or 3 minutes. And you might feel some feelings bubble up, and that's okay. Just let them move through you. And this simple exercise, when you do it often, can help your body start to let go of many years of stuck feelings. It's not going to be this magic fix right away, but it is a very potent, strong tool. When you let go of these big feelings from your body, everything starts to feel different, because this doesn't help you on just a physical level. It's going to seep into how you react in your home, in your marriage, with your children, and how you feel about yourself. When your body isn't always ready to fight or run away or shut down and doom scroll, you have more patience than you had before. You can choose how to act with your children instead of just snapping at them. You can talk with your husband without getting defensive or shutting up and closing off. I've also seen moms who used to yell at their kids every day find the calm feeling that they didn't know was even possible. And moms who felt like strangers in their own homes finally feel like themselves again by setting boundaries and allowing themselves to go out without their children and asking for support from their husbands. This isn't about being perfect, okay? It's about having more energy and peace. Your time is priceless. And when we have bleeding boundaries everywhere, our energy is leaked, we get exhausted. And this is what we are tightening up, using these simple somatic exercises to release these beliefs that we have to be for everyone else. When your body isn't using all its power to hold on to those old hurts, you have so much more to give to your family and yourself. Now that you know how to let go of big feelings from your body using that anchored breath, you might be wondering about the thoughts that keep many wives stuck. That's exactly what I will be talking about in this next video about the feminine safety trap. When you put together the body work with changing your thoughts, you are going to be unstoppable. So click here and I will see you there.